So what's going on, guys? We're back here for part 4 of this build, and we have some other good news. This weekend, our baby was born. She was born 6 pounds 1 ounce, 19 and a half inches long, healthy baby girl, so we're excited about that. With that being said, I'm just going to kick right off, time-lapse this thing, and get As you can see here, our wiring is a total mess on our chassis. This will be all taken care of soon. It's just testing right now. We made it so it hinges, and I also reprinted or created a box for the ESS sound bar or sound box to put it in the back and use it as a brace instead of using, a 3D printed brace that I had. So it'll be pretty awesome being able to go back and run some rocks with some actual engine noise again. So after I get the metal for this back half of the chassis, I'm going to weld it up, sandblast it, and have it powder coated. So this is just kind of temporary black paint on the cage until I can get something on there. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you're wondering how I got the Chankwish meth heads on the wheels, check out the other video that I have. Later.